Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to set focus for your searches in Perplexity AI. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. In case you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to set focus for our sources in Perplexity AI. From here, do note that you can ask for anything. You can attach files and also focus your searches. This is the thing that we are looking for. Click on it right now. Now from here, you can set your focus to web, academic, math, social, video or writing. Simply select whatever you wish from right here and just type whatever you want to ask. I'm gonna type it right now and search for it. And guys, that is it. As soon as you search for it, you will get all the sources along with the descriptions. That is it guys, this is how you focus your sources in Perplexity AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.